Yo, worm! That's huge!
I'm recording. Sweaty.
That truck's about to run it over.
No. No, stay put, Birdie. Get the worm, get the worm!
That worm is huge!
Get back to the worm, get back to the worm! Wait. Oh, get him. Get him. Get him so you can puke him into your... I think that's a snake, actually.
No, that's a worm. It's an earthworm.
I'm pretty sure that's a snake.
It's an earthworm.
So I seem to find out.
Sweaty has to be right here.
Why should we keep with us?
First thing we see in Tennessee is a bird attacking a giant worm. Don't scare it off! She wanted to make sure it's a worm. Where'd the bird go? Found him. Get back to it. Go! Making sure the mean lady's gone. He's gonna go eat. Get it.
You are now on track.
Get it! Wait, we can't leave. Oh, it's got a friend.
Bird.
Grab the freaking worm.
Before the bird takes it. Oh.
Why don't you just go eat the bird?
Use that.
I think the
It's
worm's
dead. It's dead. You stupid idiot. It's dead. No! We can't leave.
I'm not gonna leave, you moron.
I'm not a moron. No.
Go 354 feet. Continue to Jefferson Avenue. You are now off track.
You better pipe down, woman.
Hang on. It's not time yet.
What are you talking about?
This bird is not done. Come on, it's been 2 minutes. Just take it home. Oh, you got so close.
You're wasting your battery on stupid crap.
You're wasting my battery on stupid crap. You're the one who wanted a picture with the egg. I think it's eating it while it picks it up.
I think it's getting smaller.
Yeah, the worm's definitely shrank. Fly away, birdie! Alright, we can go.
Pretty sure I would have to leave prematurely because you're not ready.
Sweaty.
Taylor.
It's time to go. Oh, it flew away and it left the worm. And that's all that was left.